let's find out what the Chartbuster ideas are. And we've got Kunal and Nooresh joining right back in. Let's get a sense from you then, Kunal, as to what your top Chartbuster call is.
So that's on Canfin Homes, very interesting chart, because when you look at this over the longer term time scale from 2020 odd lows for Canfin Homes, the stock has been making a pattern of an uptrend. So a pattern of higher highs and higher lows is what we can see for Canfin Homes. But the interesting bit is this major trend line for Canfin Homes, where in 2017 the stock took a major resistance. 2021, as you can see, the stock took a major pause over here, and then we saw a breakout on this 675 680 mark for Canfin Homes. Post this breakout, the stock went into almost a 12-13 months of consolidation, and now we are looking at a breakout yet again, or a retest of the support for Canfin Homes, which means that this base of 680 is a major base for the stock, and we could be looking at the stock retesting the upper end of the trend line, which should be closer to 975 to 1000 mark for Canfin Homes, which means a potential upside of at least another 8 to 10% over the very near term is what we can expect.
All right, there you have it. It's Canfin Homes. Let's find out what Nooresh is picking out, and it's a large cap bank. Nooresh, which one?
So that's a bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, that's been one of the major underperformers for quite some time now. The stock at 1700 to 1800 levels is where it was back in 2021. And now what we notice is over the last 3 years, the stock had broken down below those levels of 1650. It took a breakdown and has now reversed. So a false breakdown is done. Now we are back to the price where it gapped down. So it gapped down around this 1800 mark. Then if you look at the trend lines coming from the top, you have a stiff resistance around 1800. But if we start breaking above 1800, it opens up a minimum target price of 2000, could be higher also. So it's an accumulated 1700 to 1730 to 1830 with a stop loss below 1700 and a target price of 2000 plus.
All right, let's nail it down to those individual stock recommendations then. And with Nifty Bank at fresh record highs, wouldn't be surprised if we see some of these names as well as top ideas. What are you looking at, Kunal?
So the first one is about AB Capital. Would recommend a target closer to 250. Stop loss could be kept at 230 mark. And Polycab is the other stock which is heading towards a minor breakout on the early time frame charts. Targets of 7,500. Stop loss at 7,200.
Okay, it's AB Cap and Polycab with a 7,500 rupee target. Thanks for that, Kunal. Nooresh, are you sticking to banks, or what are the other top ideas that you've got?
So looking at rest of the names, so first is the buy on Tata Steel. The stock has come to a retest of this 173, 174 support mark. So stop loss at 171, target price of 185. Second is the buy on Biocon, which has given a flag breakout. Stop loss at 340, target price of 370.
Thanks for that, gentlemen.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.